We have joining us now representative of Silvawell Company Limited into oil palm production and ancillary products. We have their sales executive here, Success. Thank you for joining us on the program.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so share with us what is the major thrust of Silvawell.
Okay, thank you very much, and I'm glad to be here today. And I want to appreciate our viewers for joining us again this morning. So Silvawell Limited is an oil palm agro real estate company which is located here in Benin City, Edo State. And by the grace of God, we are into oil palm and agro real estate. So oil palm and real estate. So agriculture and real estate. So what Silvawell Limited has been able to draft and has been able to create for our investor is what we call cash flow generating assets. So you are coming to invest in a cash flow generating asset. We all know that land is an asset, but when this land is not being put into potential, that is not being put into a form of generating assets, that land will be sitting idle. So just for example, that you want to buy land and you want to do land banking. For you to do land banking, you know that you buy land and keep.
Yeah.
So you are buying that land and keeping in that land for years. You are not making any profit from that land on an annual basis. And sometimes the challenges might come that you might need money desperately. And by the time you want to sell the land, even though the land might have appreciated, you will not sell the land below the market price just for you to get clients. So what we now create is that instead of you to leave that land to be sitting idle, to fallow without making any money from that land, we now introduce what we call agricultural real estate. Okay. So this agricultural real estate now, we're going with the concept of oil palm, because oil palm is a cash crop and also it's sustainable, is profitable, and it is lifelong profitability. So what we did is that this estate has been fully cultivated with oil palm and also intercropping with plantain. The essence of intercropping is that intercropping with plantain has so many benefits, but one of the benefits is that it helps to generate constant income. So while you are waiting for the oil palm to fully develop, because it takes 3 to 4 years before the oil palm fully gets to harvesting stage, okay, investor will start earning money from the plantain revenue. So everything has been done already in the estate, and investors, they are coming to invest in something that is sustainable, something that is potential. And by the grace of God, the investor is not going to be bothering about how to manage the estate, the agricultural investment, because most people in Edo State or in Nigeria at large, they know the benefit of agricultural real estate. They know the benefit of agricultural production. They know the benefit of agriculture in essence. But most times, one of the challenges that is making people not to invest in agriculture, especially business professionals, especially civil servants and other aspect of people, the reason is that farming, our agriculture has its own challenges, and one of that challenges is management. How can I get trusted person to manage my farm? Okay. How can I get trusted individuals or company to manage my agricultural investment? That is exactly what we are offering to in Silvawell Limited. That the estate, the land that you are investing in, it also comes with what it entails, which is the oil palm and the plantain, and we are going to be managing it for you. So you don't need to bother yourself on looking for who to manage it for you. You don't need to bother, because another thing about oil palm, especially and plantain, is that if you ignore the agronomic practices, you are going to have low yield, okay, which is going to bring low profits. So what we do is that we ensure that we practice the best agronomic practices in this estate to ensure that investors earn what's good and sustainable with income. So once you are coming to buy, in Silvawell Limited, you are coming to buy land that is fully cultivated with oil palm and intercrop with plantain. So that land is appreciating in value. But as the land is appreciating in value, as you are waiting, you are banking on the land. You are also earning money from that land through the cultivation of oil palm and plantain. So
you're saying you already have the lands available?
The lands are
cultivated with oil palm, and with plantain.
With plantain.
Fantastic.
So you are coming to buy land that is fully cultivated, not empty land.
Okay.
So this is an estate that is fully cultivated, and we sell half acre, 1 acre, 2 acre, depends on your investment capital. So
you don't sell 50 by 100, 100 by 100?
No, we don't.
You sell in acres?
Yes, we sell.
So what's the price range?
Okay, but the meaning of more of is half acre. That half acre is 2 plots of 100 feet by 100 feet.
Okay.
So in square meter, it is 1,800 square meters.
Okay.
So that half acres, it comes with fully cultivated 30 oil palm trees and 250 plants.
Where are these estates located in Benin?
Okay, by the grace of God, our phase 1 estate, which is located in Igoraki, has been fully sold out.
Okay.
And the amazing of that estate is that investors in that estate have started earning money already from the plantain.
Okay.
And we launched our phase 2 estate last year, 2024, fully cultivated, and that estate currently now, which is selling very, very fast with phase 2, the oil palm is currently at 14 months. That is 1 year and 2 months. Okay. And the plantain now is currently at 8 months. And the funny thing and the most interesting thing is that that plantain has started producing. So it means that any investors that are coming to invest in this phase 2, or those investors who have invested already in phase 2 estate, in less than 4 months from now, they will start earning money from the plantain. Okay. Because as the plantain has started producing, in less than 3 to 4 months, harvesting will start. Okay. So by the time harvesting starts now, the company is selling it for you. You are going to make what income. You are going to get what income stream from that estate, while the land is still going to appreciate in value. To make it also good, we also, because we have gotten many scenarios whereby people invest in real estate land and they have issues with documentation and everything. This estate comes with all documentations, including the certificate of occupancy, including the survey plan, including the deed of assignment and the community approval. Okay. And for proper verification, we advise that if you have any form of skepticism, you are skeptical of any issue, you can come with your professional surveyor, or you can come with your barrister to come and check all the legal documentation, and with your surveyor can come and take the coordinates to check if everything is intact. Right. And that half acre, which is 2 plots of 100 feet by 100 feet, we are selling it for 2.8 million naira with an initial deposit of 500,000, and you can pay the balance within 12 months. Instrumental payments available. All right, quickly give us your contact details and your address. Okay, our contact details, our phone number is 091 330 71979. I will call it again, 091 330 71979. And our office address is number 201 MMW along 3rd East Road, 3rd East Circular Road, which is just after Mama Miracle Store. Okay. And every Wednesday is our inspection. So you can come on Wednesday, book for inspection by 10 a.m. and come and see how developed this estate is. All right. Thank you very much. Success from Silvawell Company Limited, giving us some success tidbits on how we can invest in the oil palm business. Thank you so much for coming on the program. Thank you so much. That's